Saxon Phonics, Lesson 28. We're going to learn about the blend CK. Tell me what sound you hear in the final position of these words. Final means the end. Track, block, click. Do you know what letters are making that sound? What sound do you hear? K is the sound we hear in the final position of these words. Track, block, click. Repeat that after me. Track, block, click. CK are the letters making that sound. Track, block, click. Let's unblend these words. How many letters do you see in the word pack? I see 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sounds do you hear in the word pack? Let's unblend it and find out. P, A, K. How many sounds did you hear? Listen closely. P, A, K. 3 sounds. Let's do this word, rock. How many letters do you see? I see 4. Let's unblend it. R, A, K. How many sounds did you hear? R, A, K. 3. I heard 3 sounds. What do you think is happening in these words? There are more letters than sounds. What could be happening? This is called a diagraph. Di means 2, and graph means letter. 2 letters. Diagraph. A diagraph is 2 letters that come together and make one sound. Like CK. We hear P, A, and then our 2 letters say K, P, A, K, R, A, K. Our new keyword for diagraph CK ends with K. See if you can guess it. This is a bird with short legs and webbed feet. It likes to swim in lakes and ponds. It says, quack. What do you think it is? A duck. When you see this card, say, duck. K. Say that now. Duck. K. The keyword duck helps us remember the K sound, spelled with CK. Here they have the K crossed out because we know we hear the K sound. We don't hear K, K. The blend makes one sound, K. Get out your worksheet and look at questions 1 through 10. Number 1. A. A. You're right. A. Number 2. D. D. Right. D. Number 3. G. G. Right. G. Number 4, eh. Right. E. Number 5, L. Right. L. 7, P. Right. P. Number 8, T. Right. T. Number 9, Z. Right. Z and S. And number 10, R. Right. R. When you're finished with 1 through 10, you may continue the video. If you're not finished, you may pause and rewind. Let's practice spelling words. Put your finger by number 11. Spell the word red. R-E-D. 12. Let. L-E-T. Number 13. K. You should have put, for number 13, K, C, and what we learned today, CK. Now let's spell using CK. Number 14, back. B-A-C. Remember to use CK for the K sound. B-A-C. You should have written B-A-C-K. Number 15, brick. Brick. Br-I-C. Brick. You should have written B-R-I-C-K. 16, block. Bl-A-C. You should have written B-L-O-C-K. If you're done writing those words, look at 17 through 21. 17 through 21. Which word says block? Draw a line from the correct word to the picture now. Block. Correct. 21 says block. Now look at 22 through 26. Which one says egg? Egg. Right. Number 25 says egg. Now I'll go ahead and code 17 through 26. A breve is used for the long vowels, like s, I. If it says its name, you put a straight line above it. If it doesn't say its name, you'll put a breve above it. S-I-K. A breve goes above this I. 18. St-I-K. St-I-K. The I has a breve above it. With your CKs, go ahead and underline them because we know they're one sound, and cross out the C. Underline the CK and cross out the C. Do that for each word that has CK next to each other. When you're done coding, resume the video. On the back of your paper, you have this statement. Your friend has a red dress. Repeat that after me. Your friend has a red dress. The question is, what color is the dress? Write that answer here. Your friend has a red. Write the word red on the line because your friend has a red dress. R-E-D. Let's look at these pictures. We have a skirt, graph, friends, and flute. Number 3, grr, grr. Number 4, sk, sk. Number 5, fl, fl. And number 6, fr, fr. When you're finished, take a picture of the front and back and send it to your teacher.